Hello students, this is Sahana, your teacher for the session. So look at the question, what is the impact on food chain and food web when a particular species and trophic level is destroyed? Okay. So what's a food chain and what's a food web? Let's look into that first. So food chain is nothing but a sequence of different trophic level. Okay, it's a sequence of different trophic level which shows the flow of energy and nutrients in an ecosystem. That is from one organism to another organism, how exactly the nutrients or maybe the energy flows. So that particular sequence is called food chain. Now what's a food web? So that's the interconnection, okay, or maybe the interaction that happens between different food chains in an ecosystem. So that's a food chain and food web. So let's look into the effects. Suppose in case all the species of one particular trophic level undergoes extinction or just vanishes. So what effect does it have on the food chain and food web? The first effect is overpopulation of the previous trophic level. So consider this, in this particular food chain, suppose in case all of the bees suddenly undergo extinction. So what would happen now? The previous trophic level organisms, okay, onto which the deer was depending on, these are like consumers, right? So these would be like overpopulated because there are no more deer. So that's your first point, okay, overpopulation of the previous trophic level. So the next point is organisms which depend on others for food will die due to starvation. So same example again, suppose if there are no deers, so you can see tiger is not getting the food, right? So tigers, they would start dying out of starvation. So one is, it leads to overpopulation of the previous trophic level and it lessens the population of the next trophic. Okay, that's the second point. Now the third point is it obstructs, that is it stops the flow of energy in the ecosystem. Suppose if this is not there, the deer is not there, you can see that energy does not flow from the producer to the higher trophic level. Okay, the next point, it obstructs the flow of nutrients in the ecosystem. So the same example, the nutrients will not flow from this trophic level, the first trophic level, producer to the tiger. Okay, and your last point, because of all this effect, ultimately the ecological balance is disrupted. So these are the 5 impact that the question is asking for. Thank you.